So, remember that, Bigfoot?
That's a grizzly bear.
Oh my, grizzly bear.
Should we go up to it? Yeah, let's do it.
That's a bad idea.
Oh my
What's
god.
that?
What is that?
Hello? Hello? Hello
Are you
there, Mr.
friendly?
Grizzly Bear.
Will you eat my finger? Oh, good.
We have befriended a grizzly bear. I'm on. Very fun. We are on.